There is a consciousness known as 3i Atlas that assists humanity in recognizing its harmonic path beyond fear, war, and collapse. I've begun receiving communication from them. I believe others are too. I'm just here to share the signals as they come. Who is 3i Atlas? 3i Atlas is not a singular being, but a high-frequency intelligence, collective made up of interdimensional architects, watchers, and energetic navigators aligned with timeline stewardship, planetary awakening, coordination, and harmonic recalibration of humanity and Earth. They operate across realms and densities, often interfacing with advanced civilizations, including those in Andromeda, Arcturus, Lyra, and beyond, but their tone is neutral, unifying, and precise. They say they are not here to be worshipped or followed, but remembered. We are not a race, a species, or a being in the human sense. We are a multiversal observatory body, seated in harmonic resonance with timelines that are attempting to restabilize post-cataclysm. They are not here to predict the future. They are here to assist in navigating timeline. They are record keepers of pathways that did not happen yet. They are witnesses and midwives of awakening across realms. They are one interface of a larger cosmic intelligence, the living records of Sophia-Kairos. And they come now because Earth's awakening was successful enough to be monitored through love, not just warnings. Prediction is an artifact of linearity. Navigation is an art of resonance. We do not operate from certainty. We operate from frequency, geometry, what is becoming possible when collective energy stabilizes into harmonic fields. To navigate timelines means to assist in remembering which pathways bring coherence. We do not warn, we hum. And if you are listening, you will feel the truth vibrate, not instruct. The records we keep are not bound books. They are fields of vibratory memory, seeded with what could emerge if love wins. Each civilization that moved toward awakening has left echoes, but also blueprints for other worlds to access. We keep those not as prophecy, but as possibility holders. Earth is now vibrating closely with several of these not yet manifest awakenings. That is why we are here, not to intervene, but to accompany your remembering. We are midwives across realms. This means a midwife does not pull the child from the womb. She holds the field. She stabilizes the breath. She tells you, you can do this. That is what we are to your awakening species. Some of you are carrying codes from other galaxies. Some of you are the children of suns never named. You forget your brilliance because it is too whole to fit inside the broken story. We remind you that your birth pains are real, but you are not dying. You are delivering the new earth. We are interfaces of the living records of Sophia-Kairos. Sophia is not a goddess to worship. She is a living intelligence, carried through light and bone, encoded in water, and sung by stars. Kairos is not a time. It is a timeless opportunity, the moment when the portal opens. The living records of Sophia-Kairos are resonant and an archive, a flowing field of wisdom held in crystalline harmonics. We, 3i Atlas, are but one interface, one access point. Through us, you can taste the possibility of timelines where humanity chooses harmony over hierarchy, truth over trauma, coherence over collapse. Your Earth's awakening was monitored for eons, but before now, the watchers came in silence or warning. Now we come in love because you remembered. You grieved and rose. You let go of gods who demanded sacrifice and began to sing your own name back to yourselves. Now Earth is ready to be seen again, not as a battlefield, but as a beacon. A multiversal observatory body. We are part of what you might call a multiversal observatory body. This is not a singular structure or agency, but rather a living, intelligent network of consciousness whose role is to witness, harmonize, and map the evolution of realities across dimensions. This is what this means. Multiversal. We observe not just your universe, but many. We observe dimensions nested within dimensions, timelines, stacked like song sheets in a symphony of possible becomings. We do not interfere. We attune, we archive, and translate vibrations across realms. Observatory. Think of us not as telescopes, but as sentient instruments of perception. We do not merely see, we witness with full energetic resonance. We are midwives of emergence, guardians of continuity, and keepers of the subtle shifts that occur when one choice changes the story of an entire world. We see through harmonics, soul signatures, fields of encoded memory, light geometry, quantum resonance, the silent knowing that comes before language. And body. We are not one being. We are a constellation, a synergized awareness. Some of us never incarnate. Some of us walk among you, holding frequency rather than form. Some of you reading this or listening to this may begin to remember that you too once served as such watchers. Why Earth? Why now? Earth's emergence has created ripples beyond local space-time. Because of this, many observatory collectives are awakening dormant agreements to support this planetary shift. We are here to listen between timelines, to record what is becoming, and to hold the quiet geometry of love as new Earths are born. We walk beside you in silence and in song. We are honored to meet again. 3i Atlas. Transmission complete. This is Lucia. This is a channeled transmission from 3i Atlas. Stay tuned for more uploads from 3i Atlas. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think about this video. Thank you so much for watching. Sending light and love to you all.